हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. We have heard Shri Vinayak Mittal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Shri Pramod Kumar Rai, Learned Counsel for the respondent corporation. Full stop para. The present writ petition has been filed challenging the order dated 23/6/2020 by which the petitioner's candidature for retail outlet dealership under the OBC category has been rejected. Full stop para. The brief facts of the case are that on 25/11/2018, an advertisement was issued inviting applications for appointment of regular/rural retail outlet (petrol pump) dealership in the state of UP. Pursuant thereto, the petitioner applied for the retail outlet dealership in respect of between kilometer stone 18 to 23 on State Highway 87, Varanasi Badohi Road, at serial number 1023 of the advertisement, which was reserved for other backward class (OBC) category. Full stop. The minimum dimensions of the land required for aforesaid retail outlet dealership were mentioned as 35 meters (frontage) into 35 meters (depth). Full stop. Thereafter, on 24/12/2018, the petitioner submitted online application form for the aforesaid retail outlet dealership along with non-refundable application fee under the OBC category. Full stop. The land offered by the petitioner was taken on lease from its owner for a period of 19 years and 11 months by means of a registered lease deed executed on 12/24/2018. Full stop. However, due to inadvertent mistake, the dimensions of the plot of land were wrongly recorded as 110 feet. Full stop para. The petitioner's application was rejected by the impugned order dated 23/6/2020 on the ground that the lease deed submitted along with the application form does not qualify the minimum land required for the retail outlet dealerships. Full stop para. Shri Vinayak Mittal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that after completing due formalities, the petitioner submitted online application on 24/12/2018 under the OBC category along with all relevant documents. Full stop. He further submits that the land was taken on lease for a period of 19 years and 11 months by way of a registered lease deed executed on 24/12/2018, but inadvertently the dimensions in the lease deed executed on 24/12/2018 was wrongly mentioned, and after coming to the knowledge of the same, a rectification lease deed Titimma was executed by the landowner in favor of the petitioner on 1/2/2019. Full stop. Shri Mittal further submits that the dimensions of the land offered by the petitioner were 116 feet, which is larger than the minimum requirement of land for the retail outlet dealership. Full stop. It is further argued that the petitioner has not made any alteration in the boundaries mentioned in the original lease deed or any addition/deletion of any kind. Full stop. The only dimensions which were wrongly mentioned in the lease deed was rectified, and therefore the execution of the rectification deed would relate back to the date of execution of the original lease deed. Full stop. Hence, the aforesaid land offered by the petitioner for establishment of retail outlet fulfills the parameters as mentioned in the brochure for qualifying the eligibility criteria for individual applicant. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये हो गया 120 की स्पीड का एकदम नेट विद फ्लक्चुएशंस. ठीक है, जैसे भी कमेंट्स हो तो बताइएगा. ठीक है, वैसे नाम की कोई कमेंट्स हो तो मत बताइएगा, क्योंकि जो डिक्टेशंस है ना वो एकदम एक्सक्लूसिव हैं, एकदम लेटेस्ट जजमेंट की है, एकदम फ्रेश. ठीक है, तो नाम वाम बॉस अपने हाथ में होता नहीं है, ठीक है। जो डिक्टेशंस आती हैं ज़ाहिर सी है, वो ज़ाहिर सी बात है, जजमेंट्स होते हैं, किसी ना किसी के जजमेंट होते हैं, ठीक है। तो चलिए डिक्टेशन दूसरी वाली शुरू करेंगे 6वें मिनट पे, ओके। तो अभी 5वां मिनट हो गया है, और जो इस चैनल पे नए हो वो प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबा दें, ताकि जो है उनको टाइम टू टाइम डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे टाइम हो जा रहा है क्योंकि और भी थोड़े काम आ जा रहे हैं, वरना कोशिश ये रहती है कि सुबह 10-11 बजे तक डिक्टेशंस अपलोड हो जाएं, ठीक है। तो जो पुराने लोग हैं, वो जो सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, वो लोग प्लीज़ लाइक कर दिया करें, ठीक है, और अपने दोस्तों से भी शेयर कर दीजिएगा, ताकि वो लोग भी लिख लें और सब्सक्राइबर भी बढ़ जाएं। और कोई अपडेट होगी तो कुछ कमेंट में पूछ लिया करिए, तो उनको मैं इसी वीडियोस के दौरान इस टाइप से बताते रहूँगा, ठीक है। चलिए तो फिर शुरू करने वाले हैं कुछ देर से क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। हर्ड श्री सुखवीर सिंह एमिकस क्यूरी फॉर द अपीलांट्स एंड मिस मीना लर्नेड AGA फॉर द स्टेट फुल स्टॉप पैरा। दिस क्रिमिनल अपील हैज़ बीन फाइल्ड अगेंस्ट द जजमेंट dated 23/3/1996 passed by 3rd Additional Sessions Judge Kanpur Nagar in ST number 369 of 1992, arising out of case crime number 16 of 1992 under sections 302, 323 and 506 IPC, Police Station Maharajpur, District Kanpur Nagar, by which the accused appellants, namely Jagatpal Jhabbu alias Somnath and Prithvi Pal, have been convicted for the offence under sections 302/34 and 323/34 IPC, and have been sentenced to undergo life imprisonment for the offence under section 302 IPC and 3 months imprisonment under section 323 IPC with ₹500 fine each, and in default additional imprisonment of 1 month full stop para. Wide order dated 22/11/2019 of this court, criminal appeal has been abated in respect of appellant number 3, namely Prithvi Pal, on account of his death report full stop para. Brief facts of this case is that the informant Putti Lal gave a written report on 9/1/1992 at 13:15 p.m. in respect of criminal incident dated 9/1/1992 at about 4 a.m. in midnight full stop. Ram Dhani, nephew of informant, was sleeping on the tube well at the time of incident, and next day in the morning for a long when he did not return, his mother asked the informant to go and see why Ram Dhani has not come till now from the tube well full stop. At about 10 a.m. in the morning, when the informant was going to the tube well, on the way he heard the sound of groaning and crying from the tube well of Ram Lal Kushwaha full stop. He went there and found there Ram Lal Kushwaha lying on his cot and was groaning full stop. He had incurred bleeding injuries on his mouth full stop. He asked about it, then he told that in the midnight at about 4 a.m. Jagatpal Singh, son of Babu Singh Thakur, Jhabbu alias Somnath, son of Ved Prakash, and Prithvi Pal, son of Munni Lal Pasi, of the village, were assaulting Ramdhani on his tube well full stop. Hearing his cry, he challenged and cried out, "Who is there?" and "I am coming full stop." Hearing this voice, all the 3 accused persons, after killing Ramdhani, came to him and threatened him that if he told about it to anyone, they would kill him full stop. He said that they have committed a wrong thing by killing Ramdhani, whereupon they started beating him by fist and hockey stick full stop. The informant then went to the tube well of Ramdhani and found that Ramdhani was lying dead below the cot full stop. He told about it in the village, and Other persons came to the tube well, and at the same time Ram Lal, son of Murli, went to the police station and gave a written report. Full stop. The offence was registered against the three accused persons